Good morning students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss a wonderful poem, Animal, written by Walt Whitman. It is really a wonderful poem. In this poem, actually poet wants to live with animals because he feels that humans are really very false. They always run in a greed to earn money, but animals, they live a very calm life. So let's discuss this poem. Hopefully you enjoyed this poem because it actually shows the condition of human beings, how they are, and the animals on the other side, how they react. So let's start. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. Here, the poet wants to say that in his thoughts, he wants to live with animals because he thought that animals are placid, means calm, and self-contained, means not depending on the company of others. Like human beings, they are dependent on others, but animals, they are not. So we want to live in the company of animals. I stand and look at them long and long. He said that he stand on one side of the forest or area from where he can easily watch the animals. He's looking at the animals really for a long time, and what he feel actually he shows in the next lines. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Sweat means remain in a state of anxiety, means worriedness, and whine means grumble, like cheekna chillana. So the animals never worried about their situation, never grumbled about their situation. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins, like human beings who made so many sins throughout their life. Animals never commit any sin and they never weep for their sins. And they never lie awake in the dark. Why we awake throughout the night? When we are in tension, we awake throughout the night. But animals, they have no worry regarding this and they sleep soundly. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Every human being have somewhere in his mind or heart the idea that they have to worship the God. But animals, they never think about God. They live their life happily. No one is dissatisfied and no one is demented with, means no one is dissatisfied from their life, means not satisfied. They are not dissatisfied from their life. Not one is demented. Demented means mad or extremely upset. No one is extremely upset. They have no worry about money. So human beings, they always worried about their money, but animals, they're not having any kind of worries. The mania of owning things, not one kneels to another, not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago, means in human being, the mania of owning things, in every human being, even a small child, even the person who is more than 60 years old, every person have a desire to own different things, means they want to live a luxurious life. But animals, did they want any kind of like this? No, never. And no animal kneels to another, means like human beings, they always thought about their ancestors. They feel their ancestors are like their gods, they kneel in front of them, but animals, they never kneel in front of any ancestor. They live their life happily and only they live a life in which they have to live, means they never worried that their ancestors think like this or that, means they have their own thoughts. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. In animals, they do not have to respect anyone. They have their own life, they have their own views or thoughts, and unhappy over the whole earth. According to poet, there is no animal who is unhappy on their condition. But humans are really unhappy. They have many worries. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. Poet feels that animals are like him. Means he is also not worried about others, animals also not. And he accepts them. Means he accepts that I am like an animal who have not worried about the family, about friends, about others. So same like in the case of animals. They bring me tokens of myself, they events. Tokens means signs, events show clearly about them plainly in their possession. Means they show me the signs that they having one thing in their possession. They have only one thing, and which thing the animals have? Forest. Actually, forest is the home of animal, right? So animals having only one thing in possession, that is forest. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge time ago and neglectfully drop them? So here poet thought that I'm really wonder from where they get the signs that this is their possession, this is the place where they can live. Poet here sometimes thoughts that it might be possible that maybe a very long years back I passed from there. Means many years back even human beings live in jungles, but now they are living in a society, they have lot of worries, they are rushing towards the money, but animals, they still live in forest, they have no worries, they have no tension. So here in the end poet want to say that I want to live a happy life like a animal. I want to get rid from this society, this human made society, and want to live in jungle again, so that I also become happy. So these lines finally read it. The poet compares animals and humans. Here in this whole point, poet compare animals and humans and think that animals are better as they have qualities like calmness and lack of greediness. But human beings, they are full of greediness. They never stay calm. They are always worried about their future. So in the end, poet want to live among animals. Means in this whole point, poet feel that animals living a better life than the human beings. Hopefully you understand this point. It's really very easy. Try to read this point thoroughly and attempt the question answers. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Thank you.